Last question of Ramadan fasting for 500.
Okay, Ramadan for 500. This is the penalty for breaking the fast without a valid excuse. What is the penalty a person must do in order for him to make up for the fasting if he has no valid excuse?
Can you explain it?
Okay, so when a person, he breaks his fast for no reason, he's not sick, he's not traveling, he just, becomes hungry and he just wants to eat and drink, he must do this.
I get it. Giving some 60% like food.
Okay, and
or we pay.
Okay, no, that is not the correct answer, but you are very close. We'll go to Muhammad or Sulaiman, excuse me, with Darus Salam.
Feeding the poor for 60 days and fasting for 2 months, I think.
Okay, very good. What is fasting for 2 months or feeding 60 poor Muslims? It is not 60 days, but we feed the 60 poor Muslims or we fast for 2 months. So it is not worth it that we break our fast for no reason. Otherwise, we have to fast for 2 months.